Well, according to the statistics provided by the School Education Department, a total of 70,790 out of the total 1.89 lakh government teachers were tested positive. Of them, 1.17% and 829 teachers tested positive to the virus in an extreme stage, while the highest number of 172 teachers tested positive in East Godavari, followed by 141 in Srikakulam, and no teacher from Krishna tested positive for the virus. Now we have Dr. Mehboob Sheikh joining us to talk on the issue from Andhra Pradesh. Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me, madam.
Sir, around 858 students were tested positive in Andhra Pradesh state. So,
Yes.
why do you think this happened? Is it because of reopening of schools or not maintaining the safety measures properly? What can be the reason, sir?
Because here in AP, all the measures were taken by the government in a proper way. There is no doubt at all. Only the things, the signs and symptoms may be occurred due to they might be positive before entering the schools or something like that.
Okay.
And now they have to be more cautious. Like second phase, second phase thing is there. Now daily the classrooms should be sanitized, and daily the students should be motivated and educated for wearing the mask. At the same time, they should be sanitized their hands for every thing what they do in the school. And only education and motivation is 100% we can prevent the pandemic situations. Because crowd already they are maintaining the distance, like 6 feet distance they are maintaining. And the government has taken all necessary precautions, but only thing is these teachers or students, they might be positive before coming to the schools, maybe it had been taken as a consideration. Now only the government has to rethink once whether the schools can or colleges can permit for the thing or not, because most of the parents are now worried for the same situation which are occurring. But when compared to the previous incidences and intensity of the pandemic disease has been reduced. Previously, nearly 12,000 cases has been reduced to 3,000. And it is almost 3% or 1.3% cases has been occurred. But still, we are very sorry and feeling bad for so many teachers and students. Again, they got the positive means. The government also has to take necessary steps. And no doubt our Jagan Mohan Reddy CM is taking utmost care, and they will discuss with the health department and they will take the necessary steps, madam.
Sir, then on the same line, do you think there is a necessity for rescheduling the reopening of schools? Do you think that the postponement of reopening of schools
Yeah, they are
for some
discussing,
time?
madam. They are discussing. The
Okay.
government of Andhra Pradesh, Dr. Jagan Mohan Reddy and Principal Health Secretary, they are having a review meeting, and they will come to a conclusion whether after coming these many cases, whether they have to open or they have to shut down for a while and they have to reconsider after reduction or thing, they will take the decision. And definitely Jagan Mohan Reddy CM, our CM will take necessary steps to prevent these all things which are going to take risk in previous coming days. And the parents also need not worry, because intensity is also very less.
So, to safeguard everyone, what kind of measures do you think the school management should follow before reopening the schools, sir?
Pardon?
What kind of safety measures does the school management need to
Yeah,
follow before reopening
the
the
school
schools,
managements
sir?
daily before entering the students only, they have to sanitize all the classrooms.
Hmm.
And after coming to the school, again they have to, once they are entering the classrooms, they should be sanitizing their hands, and their articles which are they are carrying also, it should be sanitized. And the wearing the mask is must for every student or a kid. And staff also, they have to take necessary precautions, and even wherever they go, they have to maintain the social distance, can prevent much in these pandemic situations.
Yes, sir. So, as far as the safety and the health concerns matters in this COVID pandemic, So, in the
Yeah.
point of health matters, how student must treat themselves, because they have a very
Yeah, sir,
little.
yeah. Students should be motivated with all the precautionary measures. Daily wearing the mask, sanitization, and social distance should be motivated by the staff and the students. And precautionary, these parents also, if they are feeling any fever or cough or anything, immediately they have to get checked with the lab. And the government also providing a free of cost for all the children or any adults also. There is no doubt at all. Till now, so many lakhs of people were treated for free of diagnostics. And these things, if they take necessary steps, they can avoid the situations which are going to be worse. But I don't think that now they are called for a meeting, the health principal health secretary and health minister, at the same time in the presence of our Jagan Mohan Reddy garu, definitely one they'll take the necessary action. Okay.
Well, that's awesome, sir. And then,
Okay, ma.
if we
No, no,
observe,
no.
sir, if we observe the pandemic situation, it's been
Yeah.
around 7 months the students and everyone is away from the traditional and the regular schooling, and
Yeah,
now
once
gradually
once
it's
the
picking up.
once
What
the
kind
students
of
come, they all after a long time, these students they might be seeing their friends. All
okay?
of a sudden, they might be very closer and they might be talking to their friends or they without following the instructions of the social maintenance distance. These may things happen in children. We can't prevent these things. But
Yes, sir,
anyhow,
true.
the government will take necessary steps, madam.
So, what kind of mental impact